Hello, and I am at Walk Cinemas, where we have done this podium setup for one of the upcoming movies. As you can see, this is all done in a gold chrome finish format as the edges. This total size is approximately, the width is around 3.5 meter and the height is approximately 3 meters. It has these curved edges on both sides. There is a podium as well for people to stand and take photos. All this is done in a chrome finish gold format. This is basically a layer of thin film which is put on top of it. It's really good for activation purposes in the malls. The quality of the finish, as you can see, is reflective, and it really makes a lot of impact. So here we are at Walk Cinemas for an activation promotion fabrication for an upcoming movie.